For the toughest messes, I'm gonna show you how to make a 3-ingredient power paste. DIY cleaners are my go-to, so this is another one. This is great for like really deep messes, maybe greasy messes. This works really well on. This is great for bathroom and kitchen use, and it's just 3 really easy ingredients. So I have some baking soda here, cleaning baking soda in a little container, and I just do a few scoops of this. This is the base of the paste because it is a powder. Then some regular old dish soap. I love Dawn dish soap because it's really good with grease, but whatever dish soap you have, you can use that as well. You're really going for a consistency here, not much of a recipe. You just don't want it super thin. You want it pasty. And some hydrogen peroxide. My little tip here, always check the expiration on your hydrogen peroxide. It's one of those things that tends to sit in a cabinet for a long time, so you may not have replenished it recently. I'm using it all the time, so usually my bottle's pretty fresh, but double check yours, especially if you haven't used it in a while. My goodness, that is so messy. Give me a second. This is what happens when I'm talking and not paying attention often. Now my countertop's clean. And this is just gonna... It's too full. It's a brand new bottle, so it's like super full. My other point of advice, if you have a brand new bottle of hydrogen peroxide, it is full to the brim, do one of these. There we go. Not too much because we want to keep this as a paste, and I might need to add a little bit more baking soda. Baking soda provides a little bit of abrasiveness. It's also a great cleaner, helps break down stains, helps break down grime. A good dish soap is great for grease and general cleaning. And then that hydrogen peroxide helps too. That was vague. Little reminder about hydrogen peroxide. It loses its potency pretty quick outside of the bottle. So this is something you're gonna wanna make fresh every time you need to use it. So it's not a cleaner you really wanna make a batch of and keep in a container. I would just mix a few of these together and then go ahead and start using it. This needs to be much thicker. There we go. Now we're getting pasty. Guess I'm gonna have to clean the whole house. I made a big batch. You can easily apply this if you're cleaning a stovetop just with a simple sponge. I like a scoring pad, and my go-to trick with these scoring pads is just cut them in half. That way you get double the sponge, you're not wasting the whole thing. So you can use a little portion of it, scrub, scrub, scrub away, something like your oven, your stove, even your pots and pans you can use this mixture on if you wanna get the grime off the bottom of them or if something's really stuck on. Then that way you get double life out of your scoring pads. I love to use a cleaning brush. These are great, especially for bathrooms, grouts, those hard to reach places in sinks. So these are all the tools you need. You probably already have them at home. In your power paste, you can put this to work on all those tough messes. Clean up the stove, clean up the oven, clean up that bathroom, clean up that dirty grout. But this kind of looks good. This kind of looks like blue icy for our powerful cleaning paste. We're looking for blue Slurpee consistency. Let's try this out. Put on my power glove. B-roll camera. Perfect solution to tackle any mess around your house.